Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone and iPad user facing an issue that is Wi-Fi icon grayed out and they are unable to use Wi-Fi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please don't forget to subscribe. We start from basic. The first and basic method is go to settings and enable airplane mode. Now go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, then quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And after the force restart, go to settings and disable airplane mode. If you're still facing the same issue, then we go for some other solutions. Solution number 2, reset network settings. To reset network settings, first launch settings, then tap general, scroll down and tap reset, and tap reset network settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset network settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. Solution number 3, check for software update. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 4, reset all settings. To reset all settings, first launch settings, then tap general and tap reset. Tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode, and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Solution number 5, turn off your iPhone for an hour and turn on back. For that, go to settings, tap general and tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for minimum an hour. After that, turn on your iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.